Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. You can see here this is a Speed Queen 6 cycle automatic heavy duty dryer machine. This machine having actually problem. This machine is working but it's not getting heat. This is the complaint. Because of that, now I'm going to repair the machine and I will show you how to repair that one, and we will go to the check-in process. Now I already given power connection. Now I already closed the door properly. Also I select this one and I will start the machine. So while pressing select the switch, you can start the machine. You can see here machine is running, but problem is not getting heat. You can see here it's not warming, not getting heat. Because of that, now I'm going to repair this one. First I have to remove the front panel here, also bottom cover, this one. After that only we can take it out. No need to remove everything, otherwise some technicians are removing side covers, also back covers, but unnecessary, no need to spend your time. Just remove the front cover. After that it is very easy way. I will show you how to do that and go to the next step. Also I will show you it is brand wise here, it is model wise. This is the model LES 17 AWF 3022. This is the model. This is Alliance brand laundry system LLC, made in USA. And to disconnect the power, because I already given power. After that we will remove these screws. We have to unscrew these two. After that it will come like that. You can see it's too much lens. You can see, dear friends, it is too much here. Now after that we have to remove here these two screws. You can see this two screw we have to remove. After that it will come out. To think about this door switch here, door switch, it is back of the here cover. Because of that you have to careful, don't pull one time, door switch will get damaged. Because of that you have to remove very slowly. I will show you how to do that. And just remove these two nuts. And I already removed. Now we have to take it out here. It will come like that, because this lock, you can see this lock. Because of that that's why I told you it's very careful. After that you have to remove this wires, door lock wires, and I will disconnect here, and we can keep the door side here. Now you can see here what we can do. If it is unscrew, this one is very easy, and I will unscrew this one also. This filter is too much lint, actually we have to clean. Because of that, now here this, after removing this 4 screw, we can take the drum with the blower part. But before that I will unscrew these two screws. After that we can take it up. These two we have to remove. This is the easy way, actually no need to remove whole machine. Now it's okay. Now we can lift up like that. You can see it is very easy. Now I will keep like that. After that I will remove these 4 screws are here. Now okay dear friends, now you can see this one I can keep it like that. Here I will remove from the back and we can keep like that. No need to remove these screws because I have to lift up, because of that I'm keeping like that, little bit back. After that we can take it up. Here it is very easy my dear. You can see it is too much lint. We have to clean this one. Also we have to check what is the exactly problem. Now we can check here. Thermostat, thermistor, everything we have to check. Before that we have to clean actually. Now what I'm going to do, I will remove the machine drum from the ideal fully. You can see here. I will show you. Now I'm going to remove the ideal pulley with the drum belt. We have to keep like that. You can see we have to pull, and after that we can remove like that. It is very easy. It's like that. It will come. Now it's okay. Drum already, belt already released. Now dear friends, what we can do, this is the front side. This is the front side. We have to mark this drum, otherwise it is upside down. That's mean front to back, back to front we will fix. Because of that I will do one thing. I will keep this, I will stick this one here. After that I can take it out the drum. It's very easy. Now we can take it out. Now you can see here this is too much lint. Also this roller, you can see this one, the rollers are okay. Now we have to check here heater continuity, also thermostat here, thermal fuse, thermostat, everything we have to check. Heater, this is the heater. What is the reason why it's not getting heat? First we have to clean, after that we will check. Now dear friends, I already cleaned. Now you can see here. Now clean, I already still having some lint, but now we can check here. This one thermal fuse, also thermostat, also heater. Friends, I already got what is the problem here. This is the problem, that's why it's not getting heat. You can see it is already burned, also it came out. That's why it's not getting heat. You can see here. This is the problem my dear. Now I have to change this harness with the clip, because this clip already burned here. This one not we cannot fix, we cannot use anymore. Anyway, we will check thermostat, heaters, thermal fuse, all the connections. After that we can identify this sure the problem with this, but I have to check the heater continuity, this one and this one. Now I will check all thermal fuse, thermostat and heater continuity, because this one already burned here. It is came out, that's why it's dry, not working, dry, not getting heat, because this why already came out. Also it's loose too much, we have to replace anyway. Now I will check the heater continuity here. You can see dear friends, it is actually